Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got SheModern Old Meets New Instagram collaboration. This month's theme was fruit. I'll be using these little Betty Cora nail tips. They're the long coffins. And I've already got a coat of Maniology sticky base on the nail tips. So let's get going. We're going to start off with Catherine Arley 669. It's a very, very old polish in my collection. It's like a nude hollow. And as I'm putting it on, I'm realizing, ooh, I forgot how sheer these were. At least this one is. I'm going to have to take a look at these. So I'm breaking out Color Club, and this is Nothing But a Smile. Very tiny writing. And we're going to put a coat of this down and then try again with the Catherine Arley. Oh, the things we do. So this is what I get for not testing stuff. You know what I'm saying? So here we go. We got a coat of that down. Now we're going to go back in with the Catherine Arley and make this look all blingy with that hollow. Very nice. And this one looks really nice just like this. But we've got to do our collab. So here we go. All right, there they are, all pretty. And we're going to top them with I&M out the door. Going to get these to dry down so we can do some playing on these. I will be putting these on my fingertips at the end of the video. I'll be using Yours stamping plate. I don't know. And then SheModern Pearl Green Sticky Stamping Polish. The SheModern Resistant Stamper. And the SheModern Scraper today. And I'm going to stamp on some of these pretty little leaves in the background. You got fruit, you got leaves normally. So here we go. And I'm just going to do... There's no rhyme or reason with this. I'm just plopping them on there. I'm not worried about them being exactly the same. And if you're struggling with stamping, I highly recommend these sticky stamping polishes because they give you plenty of time to work. I had to slow my roll. And actually, I have sped the video up a little bit, so it looks like I'm going a little faster, but I'm not. I'm going to use some of the excess from that stamp to do the little pinky nail. And then I'm going to clean off my stamper on my lint roller. Got to clean that plate off with some acetone. Get that all clean. And let's go in with some more of this pretty pearl green. I've got some left on my card, and I'm just going to run it across that stamping plate, and pick up. Help save some of that sticky stamping polish. There we go. All right, got them all stamped up. We're going to clean this plate off and get it put away. Clean, clean, clean. Wipe it with a lint-free wipe. Clean the little mat. We are going to top these with the SheModern Clear Sealer. You don't need very much of this at all. I learned early on from one of my subscribers that you do not need to put much of this on there. Very dry brush almost. Once that's dry, I'm going to be applying some Maniology Sticky Base Coat because I've got some little doodads to put on these nails to do the fruit part of this mani. I've got some of these little strawberries, the Fimo strawberries, and I've got my little gem picker here, my little wax pencil, and I'm just going to, let's just get that off there so we don't have any problems. Now, I should have tried to bend these, with my little bendy tool thing, but I didn't think about it until after. But we're just going to get them on here the best we can. I am going to top these with some top coat to help kind of seal them in a little bit. It's not going to make them lay flat, but we are going to try to just get them as flat as we can. We're going to top them today with some Seche Vite, and I'm being very generous with the Seche Vite, trying to go all around the strawberries and get them to, stay put. Just stay put. You stay right where I put you, okay? There we go. But I really liked how this turned out. I did put them on, and I wore them for a little while, but I had to take them off because you guys know I can't have things sticking up. So I'm really glad that I did these on nail tips that I could remove. I just couldn't, it's not something I can wear. I can't stand anything catching my hair. So here we go. I'm going to put a little glue tab down on my nails. Got the rest of them already done. And I'm rubbing it down to where it sticks really well. Rub it, and then try to grab the end of it and peel off that protective coating so that that sticky is face up. And here we go. Gonna get that nail off. I got some new sticky tack on there, so it's like super duper sticky. And we're gonna just try to get that sticky tack out of there. Ugh. I reused this stuff, and when you used it more than once, it's not as super sticky like that anymore. So I've got to get this little bit off of here. With the other nails already on, it's a struggle bus. Take my little file to it. Try to smooth that edge and get some more of that blue sticky tack out of there. Let's get this on the nail here. Go up by the cuticle and push down. And there it is. Here is my manicure. I do hope you enjoyed this one. And I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.